Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Nathan. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to set up multiple income streams using the power of affiliate marketing. And it's so simple now. I cannot believe it. Now, just as proof, when I started doing this, I had no clue what to do. I started in my spare bedroom without a clue what to do. I was a brand new beginner. What ended up happening is this grew into my dream business. I've won awards. We were able to buy our dream home. And I was able to even now generate, at this point, over $1.2 million. You can see over here, other passive income streams. And it was all because of what I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. And since I've gotten started with this, it is now much more simplified and so much easier. You can get started with the click of a button. Trust me, you're going to want to watch this video. This is what we're going to be covering inside this video. It's called the affiliate stacking ecosystem. Okay. And what this allows you to do is generate income from multiple different affiliate offers. Okay. Now, the cool thing about this is all set up for you. And I'm going to show you exactly how this works and what we're using to do this. It's super cool and a really easy way for someone to start an online business and start generating multiple streams of income. So before we dive into that, you have to actually know how this actually works, okay? Now, there's a couple of different things when it comes to actually setting this up. First, you have to know what your offer is. And there's three main niches that you can go into for this to actually make sense. The first is health. Second is wealth, and the third is relationships. So if you can go into any of those niches, those are the highly profitable niches where you can identify a problem and provide a solution to someone to then start making money. So let me explain how the affiliate stacking ecosystem works, okay? And this is what we're calling the customer journey, right? So for my instance, I'm in the wealth niche, okay? I teach people how to start businesses and make money using the power of affiliate marketing. So in knowing that, we have someone who's in point A over here, right? And the customer journey, their dream outcome would be they want financial freedom, okay? So maybe at the time of finding my content or coming across a system just like this, they might hate their 9-to-5, okay? Or maybe they don't have financial freedom and they just want time freedom, right? Maybe they want to spend more time with their family. So understanding the customer journey is how we actually accomplish this. So what happens with this is someone will come in and they're going to start something called the 72-hour challenge. Not only that, we give them something for free, which I'm also going to show you inside the ecosystem of how this works, but we give them a way to get started, right? How do they actually get started? How can they gain knowledge of how this all works? I'll share it with you how the 72-hour challenge actually does that here in just a little bit. But in doing that, how do we get them to their dream outcome? And understanding that someone who wants to start a business is going to need other tools. They're going to need softwares. They're going to need things to help them start their business and grow their business. So examples of that would be they're going to need a funnel builder. This is just a basic software that everyone needs if they're serious about growing an online business. They're going to need a domain, right? So this is yourwebsite.com. Whatever that your website is, that's a domain, right? They might need to get traffic, right? So they're going to learn how to start getting traffic. And maybe they even need a YouTube software to learn. They decide, I'm going to use YouTube to grow my business. All of these things right here have affiliate programs that we can harness as affiliates to then start making money by promoting these things. Now, in the past, one of the hardest things was, how do I come up with a system, put all this together, and then start promoting all of these different things that just make sense in a sequence that makes sense for the customer in their customer journey. This is where the affiliate eco stacking system has completely changed the game and enables you with the click of a few buttons to set up a business that can truly make passive income. So let me show you, break this down, and then I'll dive into the software in the training and show you exactly how this works, okay? So this is what it looks like for the affiliate eco stacking system. Now, what you want is you're gonna need a main core offer, okay? In this case, for me, and maybe for you, if you decide to duplicate this, you can literally clone a 7-figure business with the click of a few buttons, right? So in this case right here, the main core offer would be the 72-hour challenge. All right. It's only $9. But what comes after that is really what truly makes the game for creating an income. Okay. So what happens is you have your main core offer, and what we want to do is start generating leads. Okay. So if you see over here in the very beginning, what we want to do is collect an email. Now, what's the best way to collect an email? Is to give something away for free. Okay. When you give something away for free, that's absolutely valuable. People are more than willing to give you their email address. So let me show you exactly what this looks like in this program, okay? And this is the crazy thing. So what you see here is this is my page. This is actually the page that you're gonna see linked below this video. And you guys can feel you're more than free. Go ahead and get started with this and grab this free course. So what happens is, you promote a free course and you can clone all this right into your own business. Okay. It's so crazy how this works. And what happens is they're going to come here, they're going to see this, and they're going to have the opportunity to get a free course. They're going to click this button. And in order to get the course, all they have to do is provide their information. Now, inside of what you see on your screen here is it says to give me your best email. And when someone gives me their email, what happens is I will be sending the course right to their email, and that allows you to generate the lead. Okay. And so once you have their email address, then what you want to do is send them to a bridge page. A bridge page basically bridges the gap between your main core offer and you. Okay. And this is a technique that affiliate marketers use. I've been doing this almost since the beginning, but one of the big mistakes that people will make as affiliate marketers is not doing this. Okay. If you go straight from the email opt-in, you skip a bridge page, which you can do and still make money. But if you want to increase your conversions, include a bridge page. Even if you just put up your photo, right? So it builds congruency, and then write out a little text of what they're going to expect on the next page. I highly recommend putting your own video right here to increase conversions. Tell them what they're going to see on the next page. Tell them the benefits of it, and that's how you increase conversions. Okay. So here's what happens. Once you do that, they're going to get added to your email database. And this is where the affiliate eco stacking system really comes into play. You can make multiple streams of income. You can have supporting offer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? You can have several. And the software I'm about to show you, that you literally click a few buttons and all this gets imported and you clone a 7-figure business. It has, I think, up to 14 different income sources, which I'll show you how you include those in just a minute. And so what happens is, as these emails are all sent out, done for you, right? And that's the crazy part about this software, is it does it for you. You don't have to create the emails. You don't have to create the videos that are being used to promote the products that will make you money. And all you have to do is switch out your affiliate links. So when someone does that, they're going to get promoted, or they're going to get sent all these different emails. One will go to a YouTube video. You'll have an offer, right? Which can make you money. There'll be another YouTube video only providing value. Maybe it doesn't even go to a YouTube video. All this is done for you. And then it will go to a supporting offer later on, right? Another video back to your main offer. And all this is done, completely done for you. You're literally cloning a 7-figure business. Now, this is exactly what I did with my main offers, just like I showed you here. And I'm not sharing any of this to brag, but the reason I was able to make over $1 million is because of systems just like this. But here's the kicker. In my journey making passive income and over $1 million as an affiliate marketer, I didn't have a system to leverage like this. I literally had to go in, and for all of the emails, I had to write it out. I had to create promotional content. I had to write every single email that promoted for me, right? It wasn't done for me. This allows it to be done for you. It's completely hands off. And the only thing that you have to focus on is right here, and that's to get traffic, which also is in the training to teach you how to do that, right? So first thing I want to do is I want to actually jump into the software. It's called Funnel Freedom, okay? And this allows you to promote multiple different affiliate programs. Okay. So what happens is you're going to get presented with a page like this when you have this software. Okay. And all you have to do, and you can see all of these different affiliate programs, right? Now, the cool thing is you go sign up and it teaches you how to sign up completely for free to all of these different programs. And you come in here and you start plugging in your affiliate link. So for example, System.io, this is now populated with my affiliate link and it will populate yours. Repurpose.io for creating content, okay? vidIQ for YouTube. If someone wants to use YouTube, this is a tool that helps them do it. You put your affiliate link in there. And so once you have this software set up and you plug in all these affiliate links, on the back end, if we go back to our system, it sends out a year's worth of content of emails, right? So it does all of the follow up for you. So all of these emails that we previously talked about, they give them training. This is all done for you. You don't have to do it. And my friend Jonathan created this whole thing, and he's a genius because this software is helping brand new beginners get up and running faster than ever before. Like I said, in my journey, I didn't have it this easy, and now brand new affiliates do. Okay. So once you do that, your software set up, you're going to go through, you're going to set up your free course that you're giving away for free as your own, and you generate the leads. It is absolutely amazing. So this is where, how do you get all this set up? How do you get started doing this? I recommend going through the 3-day challenge, it's a 72-hour challenge. Okay. And this is by my buddy, also Jonathan Montoya. Now here's what's cool. Okay. Inside the 72-hour challenge, by the end of this, you will have your business up and running, ready to go. So I don't know if that sounds cool to you, but who wants a business that can promote multiple streams of income with a few clicks of the button done for you within 72 hours? Okay. That's what the 72-hour challenge does, is helps you get everything, right? So day one, he lays out the foundation of how all this works. Okay. That's what day one is the roadmap, freedom roadmap of how all this works. Let me see if I can zoom this up so you guys see a little bit better. On day number 2, he shows you how to set the entire system up using the software. All right. So what's cool about this is he takes you step by step, click by click. How do you set up this automated system and software that can produce multiple streams of income? And then on day number 3, he teaches you about traffic. Okay. Now, traffic is one of the most important things when it comes to any online business, because if you don't have traffic, you're not going to make sales. If you don't make sales, you don't have a business, right? So you have to have traffic. That's what day 3 is all about. He teaches you how to do that. Okay. So I hope you got value out of this video. If you did, hit that thumbs up. And if you like making money online, you like affiliate marketing and entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to this channel to get more videos just like this. I'll leave that link down below where you can go grab that free course and check it out. See what this is all about, implement it into your business, and within 72 hours, you can have your own business that has multiple streams of income up and running. Now, in the meantime, I hope this works, but around here, you're going to see another video that I recommend. Go watch that video. I think it'll help you out. This is Nathan with Freedom Influencer. I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.